you know what, you guys are the future leaders. Why do I say this? Not even future leaders, you're actually leaders today. By being here and listening and taking in this information to make important choices and decisions about where you want to be tomorrow is making you a leader. You are leading. Ne? You are taking a step towards your future. And that is amazing. Do you know, Uguti, Mina, when I was growing up, Uguti, we didn't have this. I didn't have this. We didn't have people who were coming in here displaying different careers. This is actually, it's a blessing, it's amazing. Don't take it for granted. Ne? I know the information might be a lot, but you can see our colleagues, they wrote pamphlets and books. Give yourself iskhathi so that you read, ne? And do that research for yourself. Ne? All right. Okay, with that being said, I'm with my colleague Uponso. We are from the National Artisan Career Development Center. We are based at Indlela, ne? That's over there in Joburg, Gauteng, ne? We are so honored and pleased to be here. So what do we do la in Guyakona, ne? And Tina, we work with artisans. Up in Guyakona, we work with artisans. I'm sure maybe a lot of you do not know what an artisan, the occupation artisan, but you'd be surprised you know what it is. Does anyone want to take a guess? Artisan? By Ndoni artisan. Can anyone maybe try and guess? Okay, that's why I'm here. I'm here to introduce new things to you as well, ne? An artisan, ladies and gentlemen, is a skilled manual worker. So, someone who can work with their hands. Can you say work with your hands? Work with your hands. Yes, so it's a skilled person who works with their hands. Ne? But an artisan is someone who has completed a theory. Ne? You can go and study your theory at a TVET college. And once you've completed your theory, someone who has completed their practical work through a learnership or an apprenticeship program.